Tenant states, my dishwasher stopped draining. Well, on top of it not draining, almost every single one of these holes is clogged with food or trash. I can't imagine their dishes are getting very clean. It seems to be draining just fine. Let's fill it up and try it all again. Seems to be filling, seems to be draining, but it is not washing. It's not pushing the water through the machine. So let's throw a new motor in it. I'm going to guess that having so much food clogged up in those sprayers and having this machine be so disgusting caused that motor to prematurely burn out. Up, and look at what I just found lodged up in the motor piping. Definitely not supposed to be plastic trash in there. That's probably what was keeping the motor from spinning. I'm still going to install a new motor for them, just so I don't have to redo this next month. Seems to be shooting water just fine now. Let's pull all these sprayers out, get them cleaned up for them. All that plastic found inside the dishwasher. This one's all set, ready to go.